What's poppin', slime? Let me see if I got this. Okay, it's on YouTube. So I am live. Let's see, testing my message. How does that show up here? Okay, I see it. Let me get YouTube going over here. I'm confused, guys. I'm dual streaming on Twitch, first time. All right. I think I got it. Okay, it shows me the viewers there. All right, let me X this out. All right, that works. Let me test this. Testing. I don't see that. Oh, there I am. Okay, cool. Cool. What's up, everybody? Welcome. I'm just setting up. I'm dual streaming for the first time on YouTube and Twitch. I don't know how Twitch works, but I'm just testing it out. I got no idea how Twitch works. Can I even make a description for my live on Twitch? I have no idea. Hey, Meta, welcome. Okay, I think everything works. I can't believe I did that. I can't believe I figured that out. It wasn't even that hard. But YouTube isn't updating. YouTube's updating here. Oh, okay, it's updating there. It's a little bit slower. All right. All right, I think I got it. Welcome, everybody. What's up? How's everybody doing? Sorry, I'm just getting set up. I'm dual streaming for the first time on YouTube and Twitch. It looks like it's working everywhere. I have no idea about Twitch, how it works, how to use it. I just had an account, and Anthony suggested the other day that I should start dual streaming, and that had come up a while before, so I figured I had a little time this morning. Let me try to set it up. So I think I got it. We'll see what happens. And then I did a test stream before, but it didn't save on Twitch. So I don't know how it works, but I'm just experimenting. But right now, I think I got it under control. So we'll just see. Let me get the aircon remote, because I'm going to be sweating, and then I'm going to be cold, and then never comfortable. I'm either too hot or too cold. But how's everybody doing today? What's today? Oh, it's Friday. It was like there was a big storm here this morning. But weird, Meta, your chat came up here, but not in YouTube. And now I'm wondering if I'll see the whole, I don't know, we'll see what happens. If I'll see the whole chat or what. How's the music volume? Do we need it louder? Good, glad to hear that. Meta. I think I can make the music a little louder. I guess I'll see after the stream what my Twitch account looks like, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Looks like. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's good. I think we're good. Everything seems normal. Everything seems to be working. Just testing. I was scared to do this a while ago because I thought it would be too heavy for the stream, but I'm using Restream. Hi, Scene. Welcome. That's what I've seen other streamers using, because I know, Slime, you mentioned that I could do it straight from OBS, but it wasn't an option for me, so maybe it is a paid feature. But then I see a lot of streamers, they use Restream to stream on multiple platforms, so I figured, let me just see if I could set that up, and let's just see what happens, right? If we crash and burn, we crash and burn. You live and you learn. So, what does the website? You're talking about the website? It looks so much better. I don't remember the last time you were here. I mean, the hero section is pretty much the same, but it is looking good. I'm building my design portfolio, so it feels like a fun work buddy. I love that, Meta. We can work together. I love that. And the company, they love the website already, and it's not finished yet. Some people are like, when is it going to be finished? When is it going to be finished? People in the chat, but I'm really not in a rush, and I mean, unless, I had a paid client and I had a deadline, that would be another story, which I might have one, because the company that this guy works for saw my live stream, and he wants a website too, but I know firsthand, since I paid him personally, that he makes a lot of money. So, I mean, I can't, for him, I don't know him personally, I can't do it for free as like a learning project. Like, I would have to charge him. So if you are watching, Imran, and you want a website, I'm happy to do business with you. We can chat. You have my number. Yeah, so like, as a coding agent, no, I've been using Claude. People are telling me that I should try Codex, that I should try Kimi, but right now I've been using Claude. I guess I just need a little time to dabble in other agents, and I guess I'm a little scared mid-project to start switching agents. I don't know how that translates. Yesterday we were working on the footer. I want to keep working on that. I changed this myself manually. I'm learning how to change some things manually, so I'm super excited about that. Yeah, so the footer, it was a complete disaster. But we cleaned it up, but it's not done yet. Yeah, right? Samir, hi Samir, welcome. Hi East. I'm not in Pakistan. I got back from Pakistan like a little over a week ago. When it's similar experience, but I'm free on the website completely. Oh, I did see somebody try out Quen. I saw another streamer try out Quen. I'm sure a lot of vibe coders tried out Quen. I'll look into it for sure. Where else am I streaming? I'm also streaming on Twitch for the first time ever. I don't know how Twitch works, but somebody suggested that I stream on Twitch as well. So today was the day that I decided to experiment with it. It's been on my to-do list. I had a little like downtime this morning because it was raining a lot. And I was like, let me see. I don't even know where to find the link. Hold on, I'm getting a text. You have to bear with me. I got so many plans with people. And I'm not a social person, so it gives me anxiety since we're doing show. I figured I can get this one. Oh, Kick 2. One platform at a time. Yeah, where do I mean, I'll be honest with you, and I was instructed not to say this, right? But I'm gonna say it anyway because it's honest. You know, I want the viewers on YouTube because I know how to use the platform, and I'm trying to build my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be posting other content, like travel content and things like that, all on YouTube. But I figured, why not try Twitch and then maybe eventually Kick and other things. But I don't know, just to kind of to see, because streamers are streaming. They're streaming on Kick, Twitch, X, all these things, but I only added one for right now. Hey Aman, welcome. I am building a landing page for, thank you. How do you say your name? Is it Guy? I'm building a landing page for a family business in northern Pakistan. See, now I'm getting confused because some chats are only coming up here, but they're not coming up in YouTube, but they're from YouTube. So if I miss anybody's chat today, just feel free to repeat yourself. Hey Johnny, welcome. See, I'm not seeing Johnny's chat either on YouTube. Now I'm getting confused. Hold on. I'm dual streaming Johnny for the first time on YouTube and Twitch. So I'm just trying to figure out how to navigate it. But it's very strange that now not all the chats are coming up on YouTube like I have it playing, but it's coming up on my OBS. I don't know. I'm gonna have to pay very close attention. Let me do this. Let me X this out. Wait, offline. Wait, okay. Confused. Is everything still, am I still live? Okay, I'll keep this over here, maybe. Sorry, guys, just reorganizing my life. Ah, wait, what did I do? I'm very confused. 1 second. Sorry, I'll get started in a minute. I just want to make sure everything works. I don't know how all these people do it. No, the whole chat isn't coming up. I'm on the pro plan. Johnny. Okay, Johnny, I see you here. I just don't see you there. And I'm very confused as to why this is happening. But, all right, I'm going to try. This is going to be a new management system for me. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Can't imagine if I were to go live, I would totally get lost. Yeah, you should have seen me on day one. I was lost in the sauce, that's for sure. Yeah, so the chat's coming up here, but it's not coming up on YouTube. Can you guys tell me, like, in your feed, in your YouTube feed, can you see the messages from Johnny and Aman and Samir? Like, now I'm not seeing it in my live chat. Let me see if I do it on the browser. Well, I knew it wasn't going to be perfect, I'll tell you that much. I knew it wasn't going to be perfect today. But it's okay. Everybody's coming in. If you're just joining, welcome. Welcome. Why do I have 2 streams going? I have 2 live streams going? Oh, what in the world is going on? Hi, Anthony. I'm live streaming on Twitch and YouTube for the first time. And for some reason on my YouTube, it says that I'm live twice. That makes sense. That's why I'm only seeing some of the chat. Okay, so Johnny, you're in 1. And Meta. Uh-oh. I have 2 live streams going at the same time. Shoot, how do I fix that? Hey, visuals, welcome. I'm so confused. I'm really confused. Shoot. I got 14 people in one stream and 10 on the other, all on YouTube. How did that happen? What do I do? How do I fix this? I'm so confused. There's nobody there on Twitch. But wait, guys, I'm so confused. Okay, how do I have to delete one of them. I don't want 2 of these going on at the same time. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to stop one of them. If you're in that one, just join the other one. How in the world do I do this? So if you get, like, if your live stream ends, just join the other one. Very confused. That's very strange. I don't know what I'm doing. Thanks, Anthony. My stream has been paused. Oh God, I'm confused. Okay, there's 15 in this one. I don't know how to stop it. Oh, God. Help. I say kill one and we'll merge. Okay, I'm just not sure which one to kill. Let's see. All right, this one. Can I delete it? Or I just do delete forever. All right, if you get kicked out, just join the other one. I don't know what the heck is going on. Oh, that one got killed. Okay, now I'm in here. Okay, now it looks like there's only one, I think. Right? Is there only one now? Okay. What the heck was that? Oh my God. The learning curve, the learning curve. Okay, let me turn some lights on. It's dark. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. Okay, am I still streaming on Twitch? Oh my God, Anthony. All right, let me catch up with the chat. I had so much going on with this chat. I had 2 YouTube streams. It looks like it's still running. Ay, 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 ay. All right. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Let me see. Okay, so Johnny said we can see. Anthony came in. YouTube is easier for me. I'm distracted. Visuals, I said hi. That's Nira. Your works are good and you're kind of cute. Kinda cute? Well, thanks. I guess I'm only kinda cute. Okay, Anthony's following me on Twitch. Is it like 1? Okay, 2 lives together. It's so dark in here. The stream has been paused. It was paused. Maybe keep YouTuber. Yeah. I'm working and still, I had a normal wake up day, but it's been insane. I'm still working. Oh no, so you're still up, Anthony. You're like still awake. Haven't gone to sleep yet. I was gonna ask ChatGPT, Samir. I was literally gonna ask. I will have a conversation with ChatGPT tonight as to why it did that, because I don't want to do that again tomorrow. Anthony. Yes, not only one. Yeah, you're on Twitch. Yeah, kind of cute. Oh, so kind of cute, kind of not, I guess. Thanks, guys. All right. Now, after 24 minutes of confusion, let me get my butt to work. Okay. I think I got it all sorted. Hey, Taylor. It was good. You know, I have a friend of mine and his wife visiting from Brooklyn, a fellow math teacher who's originally from India, but moved to the United States, and you know, it was good. I felt bad because a few days ago I was streaming and they were waiting for me, and I didn't know that they were waiting around my neighborhood, and I took too long. I streamed an hour more than I told them that I would. I just got sidetracked. So I was like, I can't do that to them again, and I have to meet up with them again tonight. But it's interesting seeing people from the United States again, because they still have that like stressed mentality that I don't have anymore, like that need to like move with urgency, and like you know, it's raining today. So they were texting me like, oh, it's going to be a boring day. It's raining. And I'm like, you have to learn how to find the beauty in places no matter what the weather is, because weather is something that you can't control. I'm like, it's never a boring day. But if you depend too much on these types of factors, you're going to ruin your own experience. Like, who cares if it's raining? I'm like, jump in the pool even though it's raining. You're wet anyway, so just jump in the pool. It's going well. It's going well. We fixed up the footer yesterday, and I'm gonna start, but I'm not finished with it yet, so I'm gonna start there. Why people hate when it's raining? Yeah, I love the rain. I mean, the rain is like peaceful, and Anthony, if you do end up chatting and I miss it, just sorry, because it's in a different, I'm used to looking at the YouTube chat. It's going to be a new management system for me. Okay, so the footer. What do we need to do with the footer? So it was a Hot Mess Express. And now, like, we condensed it, but I still don't like how it's so vertical. I don't know. I don't know how to explain. Oh, Johnny, 100%. They dropped so much. They dropped an insane amount since I moved out of the United States. Like, I don't move with any urgency anymore. That's why I have some people asking me, like, you know, when are you going to finish this project? When are you going to finish this project? Like, I don't know. Like, when I get there. Like, I'm not focused on so much on the finish line, the result. I'm focused more on the process because I am learning, and I'm just taking my sweet time to get there, because the second I feel stressed and pushed, like, then I'm like, these are things that I don't feel anymore. 3 or 4 horizontal columns for the, yeah, that's what I was thinking. That was a good way to put it. 3 or 4 horizontal columns. I could just say columns, I think. Well, I don't know about in coding, but in math, you know, we have rows and columns. So, like, should know that 3 columns mean this way. And horizontal, I would think rows, but okay, that's just my math brain. Okay, the footer looks better, but I still want to do some redesigning and reformatting. Let's reformat the footer so that it's organized in 3 columns. Oh, and who was it yesterday that said something about the logo? About us designing a logo for them. I asked them about that last night. And because we were looking at that, right, okay, so we were looking at the logo that they, from their Instagram, and it was kind of bland. And they said that, oh, it would be nice if I designed or we designed the logo for them. So we're going to do that. We're going to do that as well. I don't know when, but we're going to do it. Let me add that to the list. To just the notes. It's not even part of the checklist anymore. Oh, I did already. Huh, I already put it there. Okay, this was just... footer. Complete disaster. Yeah, the math brain's right. Same encoding. Rows, columns. Okay, yeah, perfect. All right, where was that thing again? Restream channels. cool. A white mountain logo would fit well. Yeah, something like that. And I was also thinking how, you know, their company name is Hunza Mountain Tours. And I feel like we just have it up here, but their actual business name is not like branded enough. So I have to figure out where are we gonna put it. But you know, I don't want to be obnoxious with the brand name, like Hunza Mountain Tours, like all up in your face, because I do love the way this hero section looks, but their business name does have to be more obvious. Okay, I'm liking this dual streaming now. I'm not really sure what the benefit of streaming on Twitch is. I have no idea what that platform has to offer or anything. And is it just streaming? I have no idea. And we could use ChatGPT image for that. Maybe I could do that at the same time. I could do that simultaneously. So let me just check something. And then I'll get on that because we can do that at the same time. Just make sure this is all set. All right, we're good. We're good on the stream. That's good. That's great. Okay. Okay, let me think. Let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, I'm trying to think. I'm trying to visualize first, what would I even want for their logo? You said a white mountain logo would fit well. It has to scream like a little bit of adventure, a little bit of drama. Oh God, I'll prompt it and everybody will laugh at my prompt. Add a mountain vector. Oh, I don't even know. I'm thinking of it in my head. It's gonna I'm just thinking about me, the way I word things, and especially when it comes to a project like this, something I'm really passionate about, because I visited there and I felt so many emotions while I'm there. It's like I say these things to AI and like they're probably like, what is this lady on? Yeah, for sure, Taylor. I was thinking the same thing. I was like, damn, because they have a registered business, and they got that name. Oh, I think one of them just messaged me. Hold on. Aw, it's the mother of the family. She just texted me, "Hi Jillian, how are you? Thanks for working on the website." They're so nice. Hi. Ooh, I'm in all caps, screaming. I am. How are you? So nice. Okay, the logo. Yeah, right. Shout out, moms. And oh my God, she was just so, and she was an amazing cook too. If you guys ever go and stay with them, you know, you'll have her home cooked meals. Who's somebody on Twitch? There's somebody on Twitch. High negotiable AI viewers streamboo.com. What's that? If you're coming from Twitch, welcome. This is my first day streaming on Twitch. I'm dual streaming, and I don't really know how Twitch works, but welcome, negotiable. I need free access to Claude for some credit because I'm stuck in the middle of a project. Hi MD, welcome. I think we all need some free access to Claude. What project are you working on? What project are you stuck on? Let's see, I need you to create a logo for a business in northern Pakistan. The name of the company is Hunza Mountain Tours. Laughing at me. The name of the company is Hunza Mountain Tours. What did we say? A white mountain logo. I'm thinking, but white. So I'm drawn to like earth tones and things like that because that's kind of what you see there. Okay. The logo should feel adventurous, as many of the treks are very treacherous, and then lead to a jaw-dropping view. See the way I talk, the way I describe this. It's really how I feel about it. Adventurous, as many treks are very treacherous. I think it should give me options too. Think Himalayas and mountain peaks. I mean, it doesn't have to be too complicated. It's a logo. right? It's not the freaking website. What would you feel adventurous? Mountain peaks and dramatic views. Keep it minimal as it's a logo, but get the point and the feeling across. And make me 3 options of this logo. Okay. Let's just see. Whatever. Okay. The footer now. Okay. Family-run homestay hostel and guided trucks in Golden Village, Upper Hunza. That's a good point, Taylor. That's a good point. It has to look good really in like any size, right? So on their Instagram profile, on the website, hey, Sad. Welcome. You're right. Don't overdo it, right? It shouldn't be overdone. Okay. You guys are keeping me in check. That's good. Right. The favicon. Am I pronouncing that correct? That's got to be how you pronounce it. The favicon. This thing. Okay. Tours homestay. I don't know why I still don't like this. And I heard yesterday that the addresses on Google are correct. I don't know why they still, the addresses still seem weird to me. Make no mistakes. Is that just a joke, or does that really, like, that's gotta be just a joke. Okay. Nah, I don't like this. Nah, I don't like this. I don't like this either. I don't like any of them. It's very, like, generic. Yeah. I have to think. I don't even like any of them as a base. But is that just a joke, Samir? I have done that before, but I feel like that can't be serious. I have to think about this logo. Not feeling it. Not feeling it. Okay. It's not a joke? Okay, okay. I don't understand how that changes anything. I guess it's fine. Let's see that competitor. What was that competitor website? Was it? No. Pakistan something. What was it? Or if I do Hunza Mountain Tours. Was it this was the website? Yeah, it was a WordPress website. No, this wasn't it. This was vibe coded for sure, guys. Wait, no, it's a WordPress website. Hey, Trending. Yes, I do remember you. Welcome. This looks like the footer looks exactly like my footer. This looks like a little too similar to my website, just not as, I just like mine better. But see, I don't like that. I don't like that. See, I don't like that. Where was that? Yeah. The one, that competitor website from yesterday. I forget what it was. Headless WordPress sites. Whoa, there's so much on this. I guess it's okay for now. The address. Should I put all 3 addresses there? All right, let me. Hunza Mountain Tours. What's their address? Their address doesn't even come up. Too much emphasis? What do you mean? Emphasis on what? I guess this is literally an address. This is literally an address. Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right about that. And then I don't know what the other address is. For the address, I have an address for the homestay and I have an address for the hostel. So can we update the address section and differentiate which is for the homestay and which is from the hostel? Also, these are just the addresses that I pulled from Google. They look a little funny to me, but then again, that could just be how addresses work in Pakistan, in northern Pakistan, but I'm not sure. What is like the CV67 plus 92X mean? I have no idea. But then again, it's like I have been to the homestay, and it is just like, what are they, like coordinates or something? Because it is just like a random, just in a village up some windy, crazy road. So, you know, it's not going to be like my US address, like you know, West 32nd Street. That was not my address, but I'm just thinking of a street in New York. You know, the address isn't going to be like that. So, I really don't like fonts that AI choose. Yes, Samir, I agree. Do you have any suggestions on where I could find unique fonts? Anybody have a good solution to that? And do you have to pay for them? But that's a rabbit hole that I could see myself really going down, of if you give me a font book, I could spend days going through every font and not being able to decide. It's like, but I have to be honest with you, I haven't seen a website in a really long time now. Well, I would say ever since I started learning how to vibe code, I haven't really seen one that looks super, absolutely unique and individual anymore. I have not seen one. Everything kind of looks the same, somewhat of the same these days. Even if it's different, it's like kind of the same. See, those Google Plus codes are not street addresses. Yeah, I knew that. I knew that. That's what I said. I said, those addresses look a little funny. So where do you actually find the address? Let's see. They're on Agoda. That's good. I'm gonna need that address written out step by step. You know what, let me text the mother. I was just speaking to her anyway. Whenever you get a chance, would you be able to send me the exact address for the Hunza tours, if there is one, and also the address for the Yeah, it might be better to ask her. But what's up? What's everybody doing? I got 25 people here. So if you're new, if we've never spoken, say hi, because we have time to chat while Claude is working. And I'm still thinking about this logo. It's like, the way I would just say it is it's ugly and it's boring. I don't like it. But I know I have to, can't just say that. Oh, thank you. You know what, Taylor? I'm gonna take that. Because sometimes the chat is so poppin' that I can't cook. Am I? I'm like, my brain is doing a million things. Hi, Moosin. Welcome. Nice. Okay, let me not disturb you guys from working. I'm over here like, why is there 25 people here? And nobody's talking. Yeah, so the Google Plus codes are not correct, but I'll get the... Okay, I like how they did this. Try Google Gemini for image. Okay, I'm gonna give ChatGPT image another chance. I just have to describe a little better. Johnny. Yeah, it took him 1 week. He got back Wednesday, and he dropped me off at the airport the Wednesday before. Yeah, it took 1 week. Isn't that crazy? All for just little old me to take me to the airport, you know? Like, which is really why I'm invested in creating this website for this family, because when I tell you they went above and beyond for me, above and beyond, you know, I want to give back to them, you know. And yes, I paid to go there, but I didn't pay them. I paid the other company. So that just, and I never met them. Well, I met one of the partners. He was amazing. He just picked me up from the airport when I got there. And they have a great business. It's no shade to them. Like, I was in touch with them for 2 years. You know, they made the trip happen for me. And I probably annoyed the crap out of them for 2 years because I DM'd them on Instagram like crazy, emailed them like crazy because I really wanted to go. I just never met them. And, you know, I know Ali, this guy, he really busted his ass to take me around so much that it took him a week to get home. So I'm gonna call you M1. Hey M1, welcome. First time here, but similar to my setup. Just not live yet. Well, thanks for joining. If you ever go live, let me know. I'll definitely tune in and support. Okay. All right, let's leave the footer for now. I guess it's okay. I don't know what I'm looking for. I get angry when my travel time is 1 hour more. He's telling me, oh God, Johnny, I don't know if Pakistan's for you then. Because travel time is relative there because of the roads, if there are landslides or any type of natural disaster of sorts, like, you know, your travel time is subjective. I remember when I first got there, the first day we took a 12-hour drive, and Ali said to me, okay, like it's supposed to take 12 hours, but we don't know what the road condition is, so it might take longer. And I just said, no problem. I mean, but that's just how I am. I'm just like, no problem, whatever. We'll get there when we get there. Like, I don't care. Like, as long as I didn't have to think on that trip, I'm just like, whatever. If it takes 12 hours, if it takes 2 days, it is what it is. All right. Let's say I need the correct addresses. Okay, this is complete. That I still don't have, but what the heck? Change photos, okay. All right, this, I'm going to just find the photos myself from their Instagram because I asked for them. But I'll text the volunteering lady. Where is she? Hey, whenever you get a chance, if you could send me some photos of the volunteering program, that would be great. All right, let's do, okay, the booking options. I want to change the photos. Homestay, backpackers hostel. Okay, I have the photo of us at the homestay. God, I look so sick in the photo. I was so sick in the photo. I look sick and sunburned, man. All right, then let me do this one first. Please update the handoff MD file to include everything from this session. Alright, this photo is, this picture looks so cozy, this one. Let's just use this one, they have it pinned. Save this, or do I have to screenshot it? Oh no, it's gonna save the whole page. I can't just save the image? Alright, then a screenshot it is, but it's gonna get this. Well, couldn't Claude edit that out for me? Yeah. All right, we have that. What'd you make, Samir? If you posted a link, I can't see it. Okay, where are pictures of the hostel though? Yo, these potatoes are so good. Yeah, no, links are not on YouTube chat. And I don't think it's just I think that's for everybody's stream, except if you're a mod. I think if you're a mod, you can. Where are photos of the actual hostel? Okay, I guess I have to get that from Google. Please read the handoff MD file and familiarize yourself with this project. All right, BRB, I gotta pee. All right, the first thing I'll do okay, thanks, Samir. For the family in Gulkin section. I want to change the 2 photos to personal photos. I've attached them here. Make the bigger main photo the photo of us at the dining table, and the smaller photo the image of the food. Let me get the food. Actually, where are those potatoes? Oh, those potatoes were so good. The image of the food is a screenshot from Instagram, so if you can remove the arrow on the side and the 3 dots on the bottom, that would be great. The potatoes were so good. And I believe it was kale. That's what it tasted like. It tasted like kale. I remember that day, we were all so hungry for some reason. I think because we didn't eat lunch that day or something. And I remember we were all like taking a second serving, third serving of all the food that day. And then, you know, of course, I should have known at dinner that it wouldn't be over, because then we went to a birthday party, and then, you know, you gotta have tea. They gave us the local yogurt, then cake, and they're cutting these huge slices of cake, and I was like, oh, I should have known that it was not over. Why did I take seconds and thirds? And it's like, you know, if you go somewhere and then you don't eat. Well, Ali told me, when we get to my homestay, if my grandmother sees you eat this little, she's gonna do this. And I said, what does that mean? And he says, it means F you. And I'm like, shoot, I better save my appetite for grandma. Because we would go, I don't have a large appetite, so I would take small servings. But he was like, if my grandma sees you eat this little, you're gonna be in trouble. Oh my God. I'm a grown woman, I'm scared of grandma. Let's check the streams. But poor grandma, by the time I got to the homestay, I already had food poisoning. So yeah, grandma's the best. Shout out grandmas, shout out moms. But by the time I got there, I already had food poisoning. So I tried my best. I really did, but my stomach was in shambles. Absolute shambles. All right, let's see. I don't think it's deployed yet. Vercel takes a minute. No, I don't have the original file, so we're just making it work here. I know, I just didn't want it running in the background. I think he's here somewhere. Did you push? Plan once I have them. I don't have the original photo, so use the screenshot. And did you push? Because I'm not seeing any changes. Hey, Mind. Okay, all right, Mind, that's a good idea. I have had that open before, not for this project yet, for other projects, when something wasn't working. But that's a good idea. I'll open that in a minute. Yeah. How are you today, Mind? Yeah, no, it's saying that it doesn't have the images. Confirm nothing happened. Working tree is clean. Same commit this session. So no edits, no commit. No, what you're saying is correct. The blocker is just the files. To get them to me either or extract both images. I gave you the photos. I'm good. I'm super good today. I gave you the photos. I'm confused. I already gave you the photos, but here they are again. Mind, where are you from again? I don't know if I ever asked you. From India, nice. Which part of India? Mumbai. Because I have a friend visiting me from India right now. Originally from India, but immigrated to the United States. Still don't know what to do about this logo. I hate it. Can I give it the site? It's just a little too... Okay, it's just, Taylor, it's just weird to me because I've always just put the images that I wanted to use just in the session. So I'm just wondering, like, why isn't it working? I hate all of those. They just look really ugly, in my opinion, for the lack of better words. I'm building the website for this company. I'm going to paste the URL to the website below. You can use that as inspiration, but still keep it minimal since it's just a logo. Okay, that's good to know. Maybe I can change the, maybe I should change the workflow. I just always did it this way, but okay. Okay. Arrow dots are gone. Now I need the dining photo. Same way. Okay. Waiting for dining. All right, I'll put them in the folder. I'll put them in the folder then, because it looks like it's not working. I'm from Brooklyn. Okay, yeah, let me do that. So where does it want me to put the photos? Drag them both into downloads. Okay, fine. Fine. Which movies, Samir? Dining, and then where's my screenshot? So I gotta take that screenshot again. Okay, move. Oh no. Export. Okay, I just added the images to my downloads folder, so you can access them there. The images are named the one thing I miss about Brooklyn is the pizza. Ugh, I miss the pizza so much. That's the one thing. Hi, Poopy? Poopy, is that how you say your name? I'm building a landing page. That's a cute name. Damn, I don't like this either. Well, these are a little better. I hate that font. Oh. I'm seeing Poopy. I just don't like the font. This is kind of cool, the reflection. I don't know. What's today's goal? Well, the goal was... Oh, thank you so much, Mind. I would love to see those. I can't open Discord right now, but I'll definitely take a look. I'm not settling on the logo design today or anything. I'm just playing around. Abby? Hey, Abby. My goal today was to stream on both YouTube and Twitch, and I've accomplished that. So that was one mini goal. Actually, that was a big goal of mine. I can't believe I actually figured it out, even though there were some trial and error in the beginning. My goal is just to keep working on this. I would like to get through this checklist. So right now, I'm here. If I can get through these two today and make them complete, then I'll be happy with it, because then the landing page will really be complete. Other than I need the correct addresses from the family. But if I can get these two sections to be complete, then the landing page is complete. And the goal that I had for myself was for the landing page to be done by tomorrow, because we have the other pages. Hi, Blue, welcome. Oh, thank you. I'm glad that I look like I eat healthy. I do eat healthy. I meal prep. I cook my own food for the most part, you know, with the occasional cheat meal and things like that. So I eat very clean. My supplement stack, I mean, to be honest, you know, I'm in the gym every day, but I don't take many supplements for the gym. Like, I don't do protein powders or anything like that anymore. I used to years ago, but I think the best way to get your protein is from food. That's just my personal opinion, but I do take a lot of vitamins. Let's see if I can even remember all the vitamins I take every day. I take vitamin D. I take no creatine, none of that. I try to get as many nutrients from food rather than supplements, but I do take a lot of vitamins. They might not make sense to you, but vitamin D, ginger, turmeric, flaxseed oil, what do you call it? L-lysine, zinc, vitamin B12, vitamin B6, probiotics, green tea extract, and I'm forgetting what else. I need to actually go through my vitamin cabinet, and I need to revamp, try new things. I've been taking the same vitamins for so many years. So what's about Thai pizzas? What's up? Oh my God, mine. Have you ever had a New York slice? The thing about New York pizza and Brooklyn pizza is the magic ingredient, believe it or not, is the tap water. That's why Brooklyn and that's why New York has the best pizzas and bagels. It's because of the tap water. So because we definitely don't have the same tap water here. You can't even drink the tap water here. It could never be recreated. You need that tap water to recreate that pizza and bagels. And I've been to Italy, and people may disagree with me, but the pizza is better in New York than it is in Italy. I'm sorry, because Italy also does not have that tap water. But if you're ever in Brooklyn, let me know. I'll tell you the #1 best pizza place it will change your entire life. It's life-changing pizza. So if you're ever there, just make sure that you eat this. It will change your life. That's a lot of anti-inflammatory. That sounds good. Yeah. Over the years, Blue, like I've experimented with different vitamins and stuff based on what I need, and now I want to start taking things more for like skin and hair and stuff like that. So I have to look into a lot of things that I was taking was for energy, for metabolism. Now I want to incorporate things for skin and hair, but I need to do research on what's best for that. What do you mean? I know, Samir, it might sound strange. It really might sound strange, but it's something about the New York tap water. I'm telling you. Any New Yorker knows what I'm talking about. It's true, though. I mean, just for example, believe it or not, New York is a dirty place, but the tap water is clean in New York. You could drink the tap water no problem in New York. But if I drink the tap water here in Thailand, oh no, my stomach's gonna be, I'm gonna end up in the hospital. Some mineral in the water. Hopefully there's minerals in that water. I grew up drinking that water. As a fellow American, I can vouch. The water, the tap water. That's a New York way to say it. Because also the bagels, man. Whoo, the bagels in New York. Damn. I gave up bagels a little bit when as an adult in New York, because it's like, how many carbs could a girl eat? But I grew up on those bagels. But deliver your water to Asia. But then I got to learn how to make the pizza And pizza just ain't pizza here. Pizza just ain't pizza here. I'm trying to think, have I had a good pizza in Asia at all? I always try the pizza in every country because pizza is my favorite food. So, so no matter what country I go to, I make sure I always try the pizza. It's just like an experiment. Pakistan, I had pizza. Let me tell you, that ain't, it was fine. Like, there wasn't anything, it didn't taste bad, but it wasn't pizza. It just wasn't pizza. Like, this is not pizza. It was bread and cheese. That's what it was. So it was a cheesy bread, and it was good. It was good cheesy bread, but that shit was not pizza. I only drink bottled water in Thailand, and that's because the water in Thailand, it's not just, there are like metals in it. It's not just like things that you can filter out. There are actual metals in the tap water in Thailand. That's why a lot of people, they move to Asia, they go bald because the water in the shower like ruins their hair and they go bald. I have a shower filter. Hi Nadish, welcome. I saw your message. Where's Fable? It's in there. I'm not using it for certain features where I don't need to waste the tokens on it. Saving the Fable 5 usage for when it counts. Yeah. Where does deep dish pizza rank versus NYC pizza is number one. Number one in the entire world, and I stand by that. And anybody who's had it will agree. NYC pizza is the number one in the world. And I've been eating pizza all over the world, so I can vouch. I had a good pizza though in Croatia. I remember I had a good pizza there. I've had so much trash pizza in Thailand, man. So much trash pizza. Oh, weirdly enough, I had a really good pizza in Japan. Strange, but I had a really good pizza in Japan. Yeah, I don't know about that deep dish nonsense though. That seems like doesn't seem like a pizza anymore. It seems like what do you call it? Like, I feel like the pizza in Chicago, you gotta eat it with a fork and a knife. If you gotta eat it with a fork and knife, that... But NYC and Chicago beef about pizza. Are you from Chicago? Yeah, at New York City and Chicago people, they like beef about pizza. Exactly, it feels like it's a dish. And I've never had it, so I honestly can't. Never had it from Chicago anyway. I think I had it once from like Pizza Hut or something like that when I was a kid. So I cannot say, you know, like that I had deep dish pizza in Chicago. So I'm sure it's good. I just don't know if I would consider it pizza as I know it.
You don't know it, but I noticed you right away. You're pretty sure I will ignore every move you make.
I don't know what I'm looking for. I've never made a logo before. But hi, Spider-Man. Welcome. I remember. What's the name fast? I want to know. Okay, let me find it. Let me find it. Let me find it. Let me find it. Come over to me. COE remix. Right here. I have it on the bottom. Yeah, I felt that that's a good way to describe it. Okay, perfect. You're welcome. That's a good way to describe it, Spider-Man. I'm just playing around. I've never made a logo for a business before. It's good, but kind of... Oh, does it take an hour to make? Because you really gotta, like, bake it. Yeah, it's not raining anymore. Okay. Why did that take so long to just replace pictures? I mean... Yeah, but you're right about that, Spider-Man, about the logo, but I know mine designed one, so I'm gonna look at it later on the Discord. Okay, nice. Screenshot looks a little... Sorry, I'm getting a text message. Okay, I did, I like it. I really like that animation. Yeah, I love that. Okay, so this is done. This picture does look a little... I guess it's fine. It's a little blurry. Okay, next thing I need to do. Hey, Tino, welcome. Is the background for these cards. It's not going to take my screenshots again. Oh, reload. For the most part, Spider-Man, I solo travel. I can't really remember the last time I traveled with somebody. When was the last time? Oh, I remember the last time I traveled with somebody. And that's why it was the last. I'll just put it that way. I solo travel. I used to travel with somebody who was a complete psychopath, okay? A complete freaking psychopath. I traveled with this person for like 6 years. And after that, after I cut ties, I said, you want to know what? I gotta go alone. Because that way, I don't have somebody complaining and telling me, you're gonna get us killed one day. That's what I kept hearing. You're gonna get us killed one day. Oh, shut up. Now I don't have to hear anybody's shenanigans, and I could just go by myself in peace. Okay, this one's good. Yeah. And honestly, Spider-Man, most people don't want to go to the places that I want to go. You know, like I want to go to places like Pakistan. And anybody I told that I want to go to Pakistan is like, excuse me, are you crazy? What's wrong with you? Is it safe? Yada, yada, yada. And you know, these are the corners of the earth that I want to see. And if I wait for somebody who is down to see them with me, then I'm never going to see them. So I just go alone. And it's just nice. I can go at my own pace, do what I want to do. When I want to do it, eat what I want, when I want to eat it. And not have to be like, well, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to eat? The mountain tours, the volunteering I don't have photos of. So let's see. The homestay in the backpackers hostel. For the 4 ways to stay, choose your own adventure section. I need to change the images when you hover over each of the cards to reflect the actual type of stay. Right now, I only have an image for the homestay and for the backpackers hostel, and I've attached them here. The first one is for the homestay, the second one is for the hostel. And the first one is another screenshot from Instagram, so you have to remove the I didn't. I moved the arrow. Damn it. For the 4 ways to stay and choose your adventure section, I need to change the images when you hover over each card to reflect the actual type of stay. I only have images for the homestay and the hostel right now. I've attached them here. The first one is for the homestay, the second one is for the hostel. The first image is a screenshot from Instagram, so again, you have to remove that arrow on the right-hand side and the dots on the bottom, as well as the icon on the bottom left-hand side. So there's a particular website, it's called CodePen. If you visit it, you'll be able to actually see lots of web elements and how they are created, and you can instruct your AI to be creative using them. CodePen, okay, let me check that out now. So do you plan everything yourself, or do you take a package or something? That's really cool, Spider-Man. So I do plan everything myself, for the most part. For this trip to Pakistan, I didn't. It was basically a package. The itinerary was kind of built for me, and that's only because when you go to a place like this and you want to hike the Himalayas, honestly, the options are like, there are so many options. If I had to plan it myself, you know, I don't even know if I would have enough time to see everything, because you would just want to see everything. So for this, I figured, let me go with a suggested itinerary, so that way in the time that I'm there, I get the best of the best, because I can't do it all. But I'll be honest with you, Spider-Man, at this point, I used to be a type A traveler where I planned everything to the T. I've become such a type B traveler where I literally roll up to a country as if I've lived there, and I just kind of figure it out. You know, I'll figure out what area I want to stay in and things like that. But in terms of like planning an actual itinerary and things like that, I went to Malaysia at the beginning of May because I had to do a visa run. I barely did any research. I just rolled up there like and just figured it out. But that's just me. I wasn't like that when I first started traveling. Okay, it's called Code Pen. Hi, Infinites. What do you mean I think that I'm building something? I know that I'm building something. Welcome, though. Hi, nice to meet you. Do I need to go to now I need the homestay interior. A landing page, laugh my ass off. It's hilarious. Don't use the editor, just search on top for instance for a card. So just search. Hey, I'm using this restream. I definitely didn't do Tino. I definitely didn't get those directions right. Okay. It's struggling with my photos again. It's annoying. I don't like inconsistency in work. It's like one way works some days, another way, and then it doesn't work another day. Like I don't like that. So here we go again. homestay. And then the hostel. Can I save this image? Oh, I can save this image. Alright, where is it at? Okay. Okay, I just added them, the images, to my downloads folder so you can access them there. They are named Okay, Tino, back to you. So search for a card. I don't know what that means. Hi, Waki, welcome. A Safari website. Ooh, I would love to see that. Oh no, I'm starting to get hungry. What time is it in Pakistan? 5, 4, it's 3. Not answering me. Maybe they don't have internet. Are you in the Discord? Hey, Edwin. Welcome. Oh no. I'm not leaving. I was like, wait, we're leaving? I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving yet. No, good. Focus. Something I need to learn how to be better at doing while I'm streaming. No, focus. Yeah, Waki, if you join the Discord, you can send it to me there. Tino said, if you search for a card, they will show you pens that are card related, and you can actually see some of them, which are... Anthony, actually, everything's calm today. Everything's kind of calm today. People are, just letting me work. Everything's calm over there. Yeah. So it's been nice. It's been nice. I appreciate the chaos, and I love the chaos when I have it, but I need a little bit of balance. A chaotic day followed by a calm day, followed by another chaotic day. Like, just a little balance. Not too many consecutive days of chaos in a row. Yeah, that's true, Anthony. Oh, you mean Discord's not allowed in your country? And which country is that? Photo updates, I'll call it. Oh, no way. They don't allow Discord there. Oh yeah, that's true. You can use a VPN. Okay, back to the code pen thing. Let me see. If you search for a card, they will show you pens that are card related, and you can actually see them. I guess, I'm sorry, I'm just confused on what's a card? What do you mean by that? Oof, I need a little break, I think. HTML elements. So literally put in the, what am I actually putting in the search bar? They must have a photo of them volunteering or something here. Let me see. What's this? Aww. I don't do little kids though. Okay, so just type in HTML cards. I'm an idiot, sorry, Tino. So just HTML cards. Not seeing anything. I'm doing something wrong, obviously. Oh, okay. Duh. All right, let me create an account. Hold on. Let me just save this. Downloads, move. I don't understand why it takes so long for it to do this. Okay, sign up. Oh, you can sign up with GitHub. Should I sign up with GitHub? Sign up with Google. Oh, this website is very heavy. Well, hold on, guys. This website's gonna make my stream crash. Oh, shoot. Okay. That website is a no-no for the stream. I'm gonna have to play with it off stream. Hold on, I need my charger. That website made me glitch out. Yeah, so I have an account now. I'll play with it off stream. Because the animations on that website were just way too heavy. All right, let's see. Now I have a volunteering photo. And then I think the landing page, will it be done? I have to, oh, cool. Okay. Okay, let's do the same thing for the volunteering card because I now have a photo for that. This looks good. I want this picture to be different since we have it here. But what photo am I using? But this looks good. This looks good. Oh no, Anthony, it's arguing with you? You gotta argue right back. You gotta clap back. All right, let me take it, while this is working, let me take a 2-minute break because I'm gonna keep going. I was thinking about logging off at 5, but I'm gonna keep it going for a bit more. Because oh, what is that? Is that Scream? Oh, Twitch has like cute little emojis. All right, let me get up for a minute, get some fresh air, and then I'm gonna keep going. Oh my God, the kitty! Oh wait, those are so fun. Okay, wait, BRB. Fresh air now, guys. Oh no, who's calling me? Oh wait. This is gonna be on stream. I'm on stream right now. Hold on, wait. Can I send? This is the boss. Hi. Can you see me?
No.
Oh, I'm streaming your website right now.
Okay, sorry.
So hold on, can I call you back?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll call you back. Hi, Edwin. Yeah, that's so funny. Okay, now let me get fresh air. I'll be right back. Looking at all of Anthony's emojis. Yeah, I know you heard it. I thought maybe like it would be perfect to have like a business call. Okay, I'll be right back. club in here. Yeah, no, Anthony, I thought that he was maybe watching the stream and had a question or something, or maybe he did, but I think the call would have made my stream glitch. Let me ask him if he had any information. Okay, let's see. I really like my playlist. Okay, okie dokie, let's see. I am getting hungry though, so I think I'm gonna, after this, I think I'm gonna stop. I think the landing page is like done now. This, I just don't know. Find another photo, it's not a big deal. Cool, 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 cool. Okay, let's go to my document. This is complete. Let's say this is complete. And I just need that. But other than that, all the sections are complete for the landing page. Let's just take a look at it in full screen. Yeah, mind, I don't know. That's just something that I did the other day because I felt really unorganized. So it was actually Anthony's suggestion to kind of take a step back and look at the project as a whole, like look at the foundation of it, look at it as a tower, as a building. So I kind of looked at the structure of it because I was getting really off track. But I think the landing page is done. Right? I think the landing page is good. Yeah, mind, I think I'm going to start doing that moving forward with projects because once I start, you know, we all have so many ideas and then it's really easy for me to lose track of what I'm doing and then start another feature or another idea because, you know, like I said, you guys are the best. You guys have such amazing ideas and then I get distracted. So this was good for me. Tomorrow, we can start working on the other pages. The 10-page blog, that was Slime's idea, but we need to work on we need to make sure it's SEO optimized. So I'll work on that tomorrow. The logo, mine, I'm gonna take a look at what you created in the Discord when I log off. This is an interesting feature. An interactive map that brings all the addresses together. So I need those addresses. The government license. Let's see, the website quality checklist. Can visitors understand the business within 5 seconds? What do you think? Yeah, I can't wait to see it. Within 5 seconds, right? We see tours, homestay, hostel, volunteering. Is the WhatsApp button easy to find? I should check it on mobile. Let me go to inspect. Oh no. What happened to the mobile optimization? That changed somewhere. Okay, so this is a no. I have to check, all right. All right, I'm gonna work on this tomorrow. Something's up. Also added how you can get more similar results using some options I have provided. Okay, thanks, Mind. I have to wake up in 3 hours and try to do this all over again and end my Friday strong. Oh no, Anthony. You better get to sleep then. All right, let me start logging off. Let's put Anthony to bed. He needs his 3 hours of sleep. And I only got 12 people here in YouTube right now. And I'm getting hungry. So let's keep it hungry before it becomes hangry. But thank you guys so much for joining me on day 44 of learning how to vibe code. And learning how to dual stream on Twitch, even though I think I only had Anthony, one viewer in Twitch, Anthony holding it down, but I'm gonna learn Twitch, I don't know. I just tried it, but it worked. Something funky happened in the beginning, but I'm gonna talk to ChatGPT and make sure that doesn't happen again tomorrow. But thank you guys so much. Let me say my goodbyes. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Anthony, for holding down Twitch. Thank you, Mind. Thank you, Edwin. Thank you, Tino. Going through Anthony's emojis. Thank you, Waki. The chat looks different now because I'm using Restream, so. Thank you, Spider-Man. Thank you, Infinite Pro, even though you were mocking me, but thank you for joining and for the engagement. Thank you, Taylor. I think it was Tino. You told me about that website. I'm gonna look into that. Thank you, Musin. Thank you, Johnny, Nidish, Samir. Blue Sky. Abby. Poopy. That name. Thank you, Poopy. Who else was here? It was quiet today. Not complaining. Not complaining. Thank you, Sad. Thank you, Trending. Of course, I remembered you. Negotiable, that was on Twitch. So we did have somebody else on Twitch for a quick minute. And thank you, TC. And Slime, what's poppin', Slime? I know you were here in the beginning. You were even here for my test stream because I already messed that up. But yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, Mind, I feel like it's going to a good place. I feel really good about it. It's people that I definitely want to help up, like really, really good people. You know, good people are unfortunately hard to come by these days, and I met some of them and I definitely want to help them out. But I hope you guys have an amazing, great stream. I might be dead tomorrow, so have a great weekend. If you don't. No, I am gonna stream, Anthony, but if you need rest, I'll see you when I see you. Hi Jojo. Let's start my day vibe. I just came across your channel. Oh Jojo, I'm just logging off right now, so feel free to rewatch if you want. But I'm originally from New York City, but I live in Thailand. But I stream every day, so I would love to have you here and talk to a fellow New Yorker. But I'm gonna hop off for now. I hope you guys have an amazing evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are in the world, and I will see you tomorrow. Yes, I definitely will, Mind. Yeah, Jojo. Good luck vibe coding, your morning vibe coding in New York. Namaste.